So I'm doing problem number 5 in the assignment on chapter 2. Um, Problem 5 states I need to write a Python program uh, that assigns a principal amount of $10,000 to variable p, and the variable n is assigned a value of 12. R is assigned a value of 8%. Then have the program prompt the user for a number of years, which is t, that the money will be compounded for, and then I have to calculate everything. And then also in that problem, we're given the formula a equals p times 1 plus r divided by n to the power of nt. And then p is the principal, r is the annual nominal interest rate as the decimal, n is number of years and times the interest is compounded per year, and t is number of years. So what I did was I started with the sum accumulator, set that equal to 0. I put p as to 10,000. I did n, set equal to 12. And then r, since it needs a decimal, I did 0.08. And then after that, I did user input, set that equal to a float, and then input, enter number of years. And then I did the sum accumulator again, plus equals p times. And then so I have to use a couple sets of parentheses here. I have to use a parenthesis on 1 plus r divided by n parenthesis, and then I raise that to the power of n times the user input, because the user input is the number of years. And then I close that into parenthesis, and then I closed the whole thing outside of p inside of parenthesis, because I need to do that process first, and then I need to multiply that by p, by $10,000 in this case. And then I print the sum accum. So if you run this program, do a run module. I have to save it. Okay. For the number of years, I'm going to input 10 because I just want to round things off. And when I do that, the number you get is 22,196, which is not bad. Hopefully this is correct, but that's the way I did it. Take care.